Hello, my name's Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I wanted to do a quick little video on something that has been around for a while that a lot of people don't know about. That is just a really neat feature that you can use for yourself when you're shopping for floor covering. Now, one of the things that I always tell people when they come into our store and they're looking for hardwood or carpet or ceramic or vinyl plank or anything is they never should pick out the flooring without taking a sample home and putting it in their room. And the reason for that is the light in whatever store you're going into is going to be completely different than the light in your home. So what you need to do is get 3 or 4 samples from your store and take them home and put them on the floor or the wall, whatever the situation may be, and and let them sit there for 2 or 3 days and see if one sticks out that you really like. That's really the only way to pick a color that you know is going to be right for you. Well, now in the marketplace, they've come out with this really neat tool called a room visualizer, and what you can do is you can call ahead of time to stores and find out what brand of flooring they sell or brands of flooring they sell, and go on that manufacturer's website and kind of get a visual for yourself before you go shopping. So I thought I'd show you how this is done. And so let me sneak over to a site called Kentwood Flooring. And Kentwood is a great manufacturer of hardwood. And what you can do you can see here they have something called a lookbook. So if I click that, and I'm going to go over to their main screen here, and I've already kind of downloaded a picture I just grabbed off the internet for demonstration purposes here. But what I'll do is you just go into this area here and you upload a picture, and I'm going to upload a room picture here. If it loads here, and it should. Now here's a picture of a room. Let's just say this is your family room, for example, and you kind of start browsing through the Kentwood website, and you know that your local flooring store has this display in their store. So let's say, for example, you really like this brushed oak product here. You can just click that, and all of a sudden your room turns into that style. Or let's say you really like a darker one. Say you like this brushed oak mink. And it's just an awesome way for you to start your shopping experience ahead of time and try to get a feel for what your space is going to look like. So what you can do is, call your local flooring store that you're going to go shopping to and say, "Hey, I'm interested in hardwood, or I'm interested in ceramic, or I'm interested in a vinyl plank or carpet. What manufacturers do you carry?" And the store will give you 3 or 4 names of manufacturers that are, in their store. And you can then do exactly what I just did. Go to the manufacturer's website, use your cell phone, and take a picture of your family room or kitchen or whatever space in your room you're trying to put new flooring in. Upload it on to this room visualizer website, and go through the product line and get visuals for yourself of what your actual room is going to look like with these different types of floors. It's just a really cool way for you to get a jump start, I guess, on shopping for your floors. So then what you do is you take a few minutes on your computer at home, you go through the website and find 3 or 4 samples that you really like, and you plug them into the computer here, see what it looks like with that flooring down in your space with the picture that you're providing. you jot down the color and style names, and then you go to the store and say, I need to get sample A, B, C, and D. And then you bring those samples home. So imagine the difference that would be for you. So say in this example, you already know what you like versus going into a store completely blind and starting from scratch and not having any idea. It's just a really neat way to speed up the buying process and to make things easier for you when you're shopping for flooring. Hope this helps. Thanks.